AI has given us just an incredible ability to move at a different speed and do things we weren't able to do before. Yeah, AI is all the rage right now, and rightfully so. It's an incredible technology. It really allows you to go at a different speed, in a different direction, at a different velocity. So the AI, though, is a little bit scary sometimes for folks because it is so new and it is moving so fast. But the bottom line is that we're still focused on the human. The technology here is to serve the human, not the other way around. And why that is important is because if you understand where the human is trying to go, you can figure out how that technology is best used to help them get there. I mean, you don't walk into a Home Depot and say, hey, I've got this hammer, I'm going to go buy this hammer, and walk out and say, now what can I do with it? You walk in there with a project, with a goal in mind, and say, what's the right tool to do the right job? AI has given us just an incredible ability to move at a different speed and do things we weren't able to do before. But it can't get in the way of accomplishing the goals of the user, what they're trying to do and what they're trying to accomplish. That has to come first. At the heart of everything we do, though, it starts with one really important and incredibly critical concept, and that's trust. And just like trust exists among us as humans talking to each other, as beings, as people trying to live our lives, trust also exists with the tools that you have. Right? If you couldn't trust that your hammer is not going to fly off the end and hurt somebody, you wouldn't use it. Likewise with software, if you can't trust that it's going to accomplish what you need it to do, you don't have value for it. And if you don't have value for it, how can you decide what you're trying to do and if it's the right tool to do the job? So we like to look first at the trust. Can we build trust? That trust comes from a number of ways. That can come from, first of all, are you competent? Can you do the job? Do you have the pedigree and the background to know what job I need to have done? 2, are you consistent? Can I consistently expect that you're going to give me what I need to do? Or do I have to guess? Is it a probability game? Or is it a game that you understand that you constantly deliver for me, therefore I trust you? And then I think you also have to make sure that you're surrounded with the idea of privacy. We all have conversations at different levels. We all do jobs at different levels. We all have security levels at different levels. We have to understand that when we design the software, we have to realize that there's a privacy assumed between you and the software that you're using. And when you have that privacy, we've got to do everything we can to protect that and make sure that others can't use it in some way that is harmful.